People of all ages from many different countries can find themselves playing along with some of the most distinguished names in the traditional music world.
Whether your interest is set dancing, piping, traditional singing, or even the concertina, this is the place for you. By day, it's classes, discussions, demonstrations.
The Willie Clancy School is probably the premier summer school for traditional Irish music anywhere in the world. It's held the first week in July, and we get musicians here congregating from all parts of the globe. And a lot of these come from Australia, New Zealand, the States annually.
I came especially over from Holland for the summer school because it's almost the only opportunity I can get to get good lessons on the pipes.
Nous allons jouer au charme tranquille.
Charme tranquille?
Oui, si tu veux.
Well, what use is a school like this? It's only a week long. Can you learn very much?
Well, it's hard for me to pick up tunes straight away, but it's greatly improved my technique, and I can see what they do.
Have you been listening to much music around the town in the evenings?
Oh yes, every evening we went into the pubs and, well, we moved through all the pubs.
Tosú Amach an ceiliúradh dúis, bhí cúpla uair leis ann. Is cuintlam bhí na PB ann, bhí an bhailín ann, bhí fadóg stáin agus an lút.
Okay, just that last bit.
Agus de réir a chéile tháinig na húrlíise eile isteach. Díg níg, agus thóg sé tamil.
And I remember the first year that the banjos were introduced to the school, we thought maybe we'll see how it goes anyway.
Agus chuir sé ceiste scuoine mar céar na henar na banjos na agrú, agus bhí céar ar bís, tuair sé searás ná racha mé timpeall, déanana mé cuinte buscrat ó an radio agus chuir mé pósteir í timpeall, agus joig mé slú mór, agus dúir mar leis a hana hang on, no, stop there, we don't want the place littered with them either.